This wasn't supposed to change my entire shop. I thought I was just finishing this build, but this setup ended up doing something I didn't expect. It's a portable miter station, a full workbench when I need it to be, and it's got a few details in there that completely changed how I use my tools, to the point where I'm now rethinking my entire shop around it. Now, the main structure of this is already there, but once I actually started to move into it, a few things started to show up, and I could already feel that it was a little bit off. Little things, right? Access, movement, how everything actually works together. And those are the things that decide if a system works or not. So today is not about rebuilding the whole thing. It is about dialing in the details that actually make this usable. So let me show you what I changed. Everything needs a place, or it just becomes clutter. And this right here, this is one of those things that didn't seem like a big deal at first. But once I started to use it, it started to matter a lot. Because without this, everything just stacks. And the second you start stacking, you just lose access. This keeps everything contained, but more importantly, it keeps everything reachable. And that already feels better. But the next two parts, this is where it started to change things. The whole system revolves around this. This is the one I almost didn't do, and it ended up being one of the most important parts of the entire setup, getting these surfaces aligned with the saw. Means now the material is supported either way through the cut. No awkward lifting, no fighting the board, right? No weird transitions. And this is where things started to click for me. It's not really about the storage. It's about how you move through space. And this tray system, honestly, this wasn't even supposed to be in the starting lineup. In fact, this was more of like a late round pick, something I added at the end thinking, well, let's see if this helps. Because if you have ever worked off of plans, you already know how this goes. You set them down, something ends up on top of them, and now they're basically useless. Because the more I started using this, it just kept showing up. I kept using it. And now it's one of those pieces that everything else quietly depends upon. Now this next part I do not say lightly, but I thought I was building a station. But somewhere along the way, something shifted. And I didn't catch it at first. But the more I used this, the more I realized I'm not organizing around my shop anymore. I'm organizing around movement. Because when your most used tools live here, everything else has to adapt to that, not the other way around. And when you actually start using it, this is where it starts to show up. So now the question is, does it actually hold up? But the even better question is, does it hold up when I actually start using it for real? The real test is what happens outside of the shop, loading it into the truck, getting it into the trailer, actually running it in real situations. That's where you'll find out if it really works. Shoot dang guys, this next one's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see you for it.